Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel dedicated to the world of computers. Here we'll explore everything from basic computer concepts to programming, tips and tricks, hardware, software and latest technology updates. Whether you are a beginner who wants to understand computers or a student or a tech enthusiastic looking to upgrade your skills, this channel is for you. My goal is to make learning about computers simple, practical and fun way. So, if you are excited to learn and grow in a digital world, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Welcome to the journey of tech learning. Let's dive into the world of computers together. So, first of all, let me tell about computer. What is computer? Many of you know, but I want to just in a brief way. A computer is an electronic device that takes input, processes it, stores it, and gives output. So, components of a computer, basic components of computer. They are called hardware and software. Hardware. Hardware is the physical parts of the computer, like input devices we use to enter data, like example keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Output devices which shows the results, example monitor, printer, speakers, etc. And the storage devices which stores the and saves the data, example hard drive, ssd, usb. Brain cell of the computer. CPU is called central processing unit, and RAM, random access memory, which is used for temporary memory and used during processing. And here comes software. The programs and operating system that run on the computer is called software. There are two types: system software and application software. System software like Windows, Macs, or Linux, and application software like MS Word, web browsers, games, etc. Basic terms about the computer, which are operating system, file, folder, network, and browser. Let me explain in a detailed way. Operating system (OS) software that runs the computer, like Windows, Macs, etc. File is a collection of data, example document, video, etc. Folder, a container that contains files, is called a folder. Network, connecting computers together, like example internet. Browser, software that to explore the websites like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more computer and technology videos, stay tuned and see you in the next video on the YouTube channel. Thank you.